Earthen roads are the backbone of rural landscapes. They are simple, affordable, and built with locally sourced materials. For centuries, these roads have connected villages and fostered trade. Even today, they play a vital role in providing access to remote areas. Understanding how to build and maintain earthen roads is essential. This knowledge ensures accessibility and supports local economies. This essay will guide you through the process of creating and caring for these vital pathways. Let's embark on this journey of connecting with the earth and its people. Earthen roads rely on readily available resources. Soil forms the foundation of these roads. The ideal soil is well drained and contains a mix of sand, silt, and clay. This composition provides stability and prevents excessive dust or mud. Apart from soil, gravel and stones are often added. Gravel improves drainage and strengthens the road surface. Stones, especially larger ones, help define the road edges and prevent erosion. Before construction begins, proper site preparation is crucial. The first step involves clearing the area of vegetation, rocks, and debris. This ensures a level and stable base for the road. Next, the soil is compacted to increase its density and load-bearing capacity. Compaction can be done manually or using specialized equipment. A well-compacted base minimizes settling and ensures the road's longevity. Section 4. Construction shaping the path. With the site prepared, the construction of the earthen road can commence. The process begins by defining the road's width and desired slope. The slope is crucial for water runoff and prevents waterlogging. The prepared soil mix is then spread evenly over the compacted base. This layer is compacted again to create a solid foundation. If needed, gravel or stones are added as a top layer for increased durability. Section 5. Maintenance, keeping the way open. Regular maintenance is key to the longevity of earthen roads. Water is the biggest threat, causing erosion and potholes. Regular grading is essential to maintain the road's shape and ensure proper water drainage. Filling potholes promptly prevents further damage. Adding gravel or stones to areas prone to wear and tear improves the road's resilience. Simple maintenance practices ensure the road remains accessible throughout the year. Section 6. Advantages and challenges, weighing the scales. Earthen roads offer several advantages. They are cost-effective to build and maintain, utilizing local materials and labor. They blend seamlessly with the environment and are permeable, allowing water to seep into the ground. However, earthen roads also present challenges. They are susceptible to damage from heavy rains and are not suitable for high traffic volumes. Regular maintenance is labor-intensive and requires community involvement. Section 7. Conclusion. Embracing Earth's embrace. Earthen roads are a testament to sustainable living. They embody a harmonious relationship between humans and nature. While they may require consistent care, their benefits far outweigh the challenges. By understanding the basics of construction and embracing regular maintenance, we can ensure these vital arteries continue to connect communities and support rural livelihoods. Let's tread lightly on the earth and keep these paths open for generations to come.